Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a special product. Thanks to the company AoonuAuto. They sent me these LED lights and this is custom. This is gonna be for my 2000 Honda Accord and it's gonna be for the door handle bolt. Inside here we're gonna put a custom LED. Some people request this because I did an installation on my RAV4 and on the RAV4 it has a little light on top. Well, this is even better because this is custom. So process is really simple for the installation. So actually it's gonna be kind of like my RAV4. These LEDs, they're gonna go right here inside the bulb. Has only bullet in there. So I'm gonna show you the installation, which is really simple, really easy, and let's get to it. The tools that you're gonna need is gonna be a voltage tester, screwdriver, tools to remove panels because we need to open the door to get to the controls. Here on the Honda Accord, we need to remove this part and the door handle too. So inside it has a little screw. It has a Phillips screw in there. To get to it, you just need to remove this little cover and you're gonna get to the Phillip. Once you got the screw out, we need just to pull it from the back and pull it out. What I need to do is find power when the switch is on my Accord, and I'm gonna use on the driver's side, I'm gonna use the control for the windows. So every time that we turn the switch on or we have the car running, we're gonna have power, and that's what's gonna power these LEDs. It has a little tap on top. Just press on it. Now, this is the control that we need to tap on the driver's side. So I noticed that we have a red cable right on the corner and a black one on the other side. With my tester, I'm gonna see if it has power when the switch is off. I don't think so, but we need to make sure. And we don't have any power right now. Let me turn the switch on. I don't see any power in there on the bottom. So I need to test and see when we have power, because these lights, they're gonna stay on when the car is on. Okay, if we check here on the driver's side, this white and yellow cable, this one has power all the time. The next cable, which is the green and white, that one has power when the car has the switch on. When you turn the key, that one is gonna give you power. On the other side, there is a black one, which is gonna be the second one on this side. Right now it's off. If we turn the switch, light is on now. So we found the two cables that we need to tap into it. The black and white cable with the black one, and the white cable with the green and white. So this one, it has adhesive tape on the back. We need to put it right there, and we need to make a hole on the back to run the cables and make our connections underneath so nobody can see it, and that's how it's gonna look. Or maybe I can run it next to the screw so I don't need to make any holes, and just clean it with alcohol, stick it to it, run my cables and do my connections. You just need to remove the screw, push it forward, and then the handle came out. On the back it has a little clip attaching the cable. You just have to push it. Okay, it has this little clip, this one attached to this piece of metal for the door to open. You just pull it out so you can pull out the metal. And on this side it has a connector. Maybe I can put my cable through this little hole in here. If you can see, I'm able to run it through there. The inside of the door handle is being cleaned. I clean it with alcohol. I need to run my cable inside. For the connection, I'm gonna tap into the wires with these connectors. You just put it on one side, the other cable on the other side, and crimp it together. These little plates, they're flat, and because this is a custom job, it won't stick 100% into the bolt. So what I did, I have this adhesive, this double-sided tape, and it's like a foam, so it's thick. I put a little piece inside to make it stick better, because without it, because it's like a little bolt inside, it won't let the plate stick 100%. Okay guys, I have to change the plan. The connection, it wasn't really good, because this cable from the new lights is very small, and the connection wasn't 100%. It was working and not working. What I gonna have to do is just put them together like that, solder the cables, and then put tape on it. But the lights, they're gonna be working a lot better now because we have better connection. I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna have to get this car inside so you can see the light. But what I have to do now is just put tape around it, make sure that my connections are 100%, and close this side and move into the passenger. Same process for the passenger side. Remove the screw, pull it forward a little bit, and pull the control out. On this side, we only have one connector. Same process for this side. With your tester, look for power when the switch is on. For the passenger side, it's the same thing, but on this one, right here on the corner, you're gonna have a blue and black cable. That's the ground. And on this side, on the top corner, you're gonna have this white and red. That's the power. The only thing that you need to make sure is the connection. I was checking on this side, and on this side the cables are different. If you connect the white with the ground with the black wire, and then the black one with the red and white, the light's gonna be on. If you see, the light is working. So I think it's different on this side. Maybe they put the cables wrong, because the black one is supposed to be ground and the white one is supposed to be power, but on this side is backwards. So make sure that before you do a splicing, test the light, because probably the cables, they just switch them. So on this side, the black and blue is gonna be with the white, and the black and white cable is gonna be with the white and red cable. Okay guys, connection is ready on the passenger side. Same process, same everything. Now I'm gonna put the car inside so we can see the lights working. Okay guys, we inside the garage. Let me turn on the switch. And the lights are on. The windows, they still have power, but when we open the door, the lights go off. And there you have it. Installation is done and they look really good. At night they're gonna look really good. And for every vehicle pretty much is the same. You need to look for power when the switch is on. I hope you liked this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.